item. It debuted on Friday, brand new, and it is, of course, a great sale price. When you do the math, you are getting 3 elbow sleeve t-shirts done in a cotton span, wait for it, rayon blend, so they're a little silky. And on Friday, these 3-packs debuted. We had 8,000 then. We have 2,500 now. So let's hustle, because this is from their Essentials collection and it's called the So Soft knit. This one down here is called Black Orchid Pine. They all have the same neckline, sleeve, and shape. It's not like one's a V and one's a scoop. And then we move into this. That's my favorite, the Blue Slate and Rose. Blue Slate Rose, 100 remain there. Then we move down here. The one that has the white tee in it would be teal, white, and Alpine
Frost.
Frost? Okay, thank you. Alpine Frost. 500 remain there. We move into yellow, light gray, and chambray.
I love this palette.
600 of those. Rose, navy, and look at tapioca. It's like a peachy ivory.
Yeah, it is. It's like a peachy ivory vanilla cream.
400 remaining here. Well, well, well. Okay, girl, first, explain to everybody when you joined the Denim & Company brand, and we expect to see a lot more of you. It's fun to have you in the show tonight.
Thank you. So I came almost a year and a half come this May.
Okay.
This May will be 2 years already.
Okay.
It went by so fast. And I'm always on QVC too.
She'll never remember what? How long she's been here?
It went by really fast, and I'm on QVC 2 every Thursday from 11 to 1, sometimes Thursday nights, Wednesday nights, and then I have another static on Sundays from 12 to 2. So I'm always on every Thursday and Sunday, and then some nights too. And I call myself Gary's little helper. I'm his little elf, because when he can't do it, I'm here to help him. And you know, if he had to do both channels, it would just be insane.
I mean, he can't even handle the heat in summer. He's definitely not doing both channels.
Exactly.
Okay, Jackie,
Okay,
what is So Soft? You get 3 of these. The math is like $19 a tee, and it's a great time to refresh and get ready for not only the colors that blossom in spring and wardrobe, but also just refresh the t-shirts, because we grab from the most and they get really dingy. So Soft.
Yes. So our So Soft is pretty new, actually. We just recently launched it not too long ago. It's rayon rich. That's what makes it so drapey and sheen and shine and lightweight. Cotton rich as well, and then spandex for extra stretch. This is amazing. High crew neck coverage there, so full modest coverage. Heat sealed stamp in the back. 3/4 sleeve, which is our most popular sleeve, and it's semi-fitted, follows the lines of the body. You could tuck this in, leave it out, but you're getting 3 where normally 1 would be around $42, $44.
For sure. And as you see Miranda, and she is wearing the pine that comes in the Black Orchid Pine set. This is a great kind of way to get a feel for the styling. It's a little longer than a traditional designer retail tee. The neckline is perfect. It doesn't scoop too severely. It's also not a crew that goes up to your Adam's apple. It's got a cute little bracelet sleeve. And the colors, married with the rayon that you guys put in it, that turns it a little silky and dressy. Normally t-shirts are great foundational pieces, but there's always something that goes back on top of them to like complete the outfit.
Absolutely.
This with your bottoms could be the outfit.
Oh, absolutely. You could dress this up with some jewelry, throw in a blazer, a denim jacket, wear it just as is, casually like I am. You know, there's lots of ways to wear this, but I love it. My mom actually came over recently and she was like, can I have some of these? They're amazing. The way they fit, they feel great. And you know, you may have our perfect jersey, you may have our favorite jersey, but what's great about this is that it is rayon rich, and that's what I love about it, how it feels so silky and smooth on the body. Now, I've laundered mine a million times. My laundry basket is filled with these. This is like what I wear every day with denim. And I wash, I wear and repeat. The color doesn't fade, the fabric does not shrink, and it just feels great. I also love it as like a layering piece with a vest over it.
It looks great under the TSV.
It does,
with the TSV kind of upsell pants. Great look, and I love your whole tonal navy.
Thank you.
Vibe. It's
I'm
great.
into the whole tonal thing.
Me too.
This is a good airport look. You know, if I'm going to play on my vacation and I want to look put together but comfortable.
Do we have a vacation planned?
I was supposed to go to Turks and Caicos is my favorite island.
Me too.
I go every year.
Wait, where do you stay?
So my friend has apartments there, so sometimes we stay there. But I usually stay at 7 stars Am I allowed to say this on air?
Well, you just did.
Okay.
Just did.
Okay, never mind. But
Isn't it the best?
you love it too.
I love it.
It's, you know what's so great? It's so fast. And
Yep.
it's the most beautiful. If you could get there, it's the most
And
beautiful
it's
beach.
safe, and the water
Yes.
is see-through, and it's just, okay.
Okay,
Back to
I'm
this.
daydreaming. Back to this.
It's my fault. I took you there. You get 3 teas in the pack for a sale price that should be, are you sitting down, $75 at least with tax and shipping any other day of the week. This 3-pack debuted at a sale price on Friday, and now each tee is like 19 or 20 bucks, and it's cotton rayon. It's the So Soft blend. All 3 in the color pack. You have black orchid pine. This is the color pack blue slate rose.
Yep.
Fewer than 100 to go around there. Our teal, alpine frost, and the white. It's the only pack that has optic white. 450 remain there. This is our yellow, light gray, and chambray. 500 remain there. And then tapioca, our navy, and our rose. Fewer than 300.
Yep.
It'll be, I'll tell you again, when the day is done, the price expires. So if it's compelling to get like a value bundle, a 3-pack, you only have the next couple hours to do that. And then we're back to $67 on these.
And they're great. They feel great. They fit great. They launder great. Just so everybody knows, I'm wearing a large.
Okay, great. And thank you for reminding me. Miranda is 5'3", and she is wearing a small in her pine color. And I just think everything about it kind of embodies the perfect t-shirt.
It does. And if you want to tuck it in and dress it up into a skirt, you could. You could wear it to a place of worship.
Yeah.
I actually wore this to a fundraiser with a blazer over it. I had a leopard blazer over it.
Oh.
So I can dress it up, but then you could just wear it as is with just some denim. And,
Absolutely.
And I also wear these in the summer too, because you don't overheat. Because of that rayon, it feels cool to the touch.
Yes. It is so silky. It feels cool to the touch. It has a slightly finer gauge than a full 100% cotton t-shirt. So there's just like a little bit more of a liquidity to how it drapes on the body. 2,000 remain at this price, which is only good for like the next 4 and change hours. We started on Friday with over 8,000 of them, and we now have maybe 1,950 remaining. So you're gonna wanna check out of your cart. Have you been to Coco Bistro?
Yes, that's my
Isn't it
favorite.
the best?
I actually got Jen coffee to go there.
Yes.